This just might be the next Tesla of China. Stay tuned. You really don't want to miss this one. Hey guys, today I want to talk to you guys about a company that we've spoken about a long time ago, but as of late we've paid more attention to the company just because of different factors. One of them being obviously the change in presidency and Biden opening up more to China. When Trump was in, obviously we had a lot more of a beat up relationship with China, and the future or the long term thoughts on Chinese companies were a little bit clouded. But now with that opening up with Biden, I think a lot of Chinese companies have been able to expand, and they've also grown. You could see it reflect in the stock price as well. You get a lot of these companies that are up in price. The company that we want to speak about today is an EV company, and I believe it's going to be the next big EV company, not only in China, but also I think they're going to be moving into the US. Not anytime soon, but I think they will be here, in the next year or so. I think they're going to make that move. The company I want to speak about today is NIO, and ticker symbol is NIO. And like I said, there's a couple of reasons why I think this company is going to do really well moving forward. And I think it's a great opportunity right now to be able to get in a company like this that's growing and has tremendous growth ahead of it. On this channel, we speak about being able to connect the dots, being able to put things together. And a big factor, and something that I repeatedly talk about all the time, is the person at the top. In this case, being, the CEO. I've been looking into this company, NIO, and I've also been looking into the CEO, and everything that I've gotten from this company pretty much checks all the boxes. This person, Lee, CEO, he came from a poor background, and he's been able to get to this point. He ended up attending one of the top colleges in China, and he ended up getting, starting his own company up. At one point, they were about to go bankrupt as well. It's not easy being in business sometimes. So he had to face that. And he's been able to go through all these different things along the way and eventually ended up with NIO. And the reason why I think this company might be, very good moving forward is because you have a good person at the top, at the helm. And not only do you have a good person at the helm, you also have the backings of huge companies in China like Tencent, like JD. So these are big companies, and if you don't know what companies these are, I strongly suggest for you to do a little bit of research on Tencent, okay? It's a huge gaming company. They do a bunch of other stuff as well, but they're huge in China, as well as JD. So they have their backings. And now with Biden opening up and putting all this together, you have a good CEO, smart guy at the top. You got these cars that are their design, I would put it, I think I like their design more than any other EV company out there right now. That includes Tesla, that includes Lucid. I think these cars are a lot sleeker. They look really nice. And I want to show you a video so you guys can get an idea of the design of the car, as well as the attention to detail that's been put into these vehicles and just their whole business structure. I think that's very important because it kind of tells you a little bit more about who's behind everything. So let me play this video for you real quick and you guys can get a better idea.
The role of design at NIO has to reach much further than just designing cars. We create experiences. We design everything that the user will see, touch, hear, and feel. We strive to understand our users' lives and needs. Performance for living is our design philosophy. This philosophy unites complementary forces within the brand. On the one hand, we have built our performance credentials in our EP9 electric supercar. On the other hand, we have expressed our vision of the future with our concept car, Eve, an entirely new mobility experience for driving, living, relaxing, and connecting. These are two halves of one story, just like our logo. Performance for living is the manifestation of those forces coming together. The ES8 is the purest embodiment of this design philosophy. It is an expression of progressive premium. It is beautifully crafted. Its purity enhanced by technology and innovation. But ES8 also has a human touch. It's approachable, engaging, and exudes a warmth of character most evident in the interior and the illumination. What makes ES8 so unique is the theme of open solidity. An SUV with substance and presence, yet light and dynamic. We have created an icon of efficiency, a solid outer character that protects a warm and welcoming interior. ES8 is performance for living.
So after watching that video, guys, you guys start getting, or at least I did. I started getting a better picture of what this company is about. The attention to detail, the nice look on the car, sleek designs. I mean, I think it's a really, really nice car. If you put that together, guys, with what they're doing in one of the hottest sectors. Remember, we said earlier this year we spoke about several different sectors being hot. EV sector is one of them. Okay, you're getting into a hot sector with a Chinese company, with the relationship between US and China getting better and better. It only makes sense that this company is going to have a bright future, not only in China. And I want to show you something real quick, guys. Not only in China, but in the US. But I want to just give you, I keep saying, connect the dots, connect the dots. So I want to show you the population as of 2019 in the US. And we're talking about 328.2 million people in the US, okay? Now I want you to compare that number to 1.398 billion people in China. The opportunity for NIO to take a large market share in China is huge. But if they're able to manage to get their product out here to the US, I think they're going to give the US companies strong competition. And I think with the sleek designs, with the person at the top, the CEO, smart dude, I think they can really do some damage, and I think it'll reflect very nicely on this price. Guys, you guys have an opportunity here to get into a company like Tesla a year ago, 2 years ago. You're getting into a Chinese company with a huge market that's already, making money, generating income. I mean, the picture doesn't get any more clear than that. I am going to attach a video also about the CEO because I want you guys to get a better picture about his background. I want this video to be kind of like something that it unites everything together, and that way when you guys watch a video, I think if we point out these different points, I think it makes more sense than just to say, you know what, this is a great company, put your money here, or whatever. But I like to do the full circle. With this stock, guys, this is not financial advice. Once again, this is just my opinion. I'm just out there looking for this information. I try to connect the dots. I try to put two and two together, and I try to come out with a pretty smart idea. I think I've been doing pretty well. I think we can continue this together. NIO jumped, and currently it's sitting at 62.55. It closed the day today at 62.55, but I want to go to the year chart. This stock, last year was trading at $3, $5, okay? and it came all the way to 60. But if you go back about a month or two, if you go back to November, the price that NIO has been at from November to now is right around anywhere $50 to about a little bit below 65. So if you think about it in that terms, you're still early, and it's still time for you to be able to jump on this ride and ride it to the moon, because I think it's going that way, that direction. So with that, guys, if I were to get into this play, this is just my personal opinion, I like to get, the sweet spot for me is anywhere between 55 and 56, 55 to 57. That's a sweet spot for me, okay? You make your own decision. You can get in now, and I think you have a lot of upside as well. But wait for a little dip here, a little pullback. If you get it, jump on it. Start with the small position, guys, okay? I had somebody reach out to me from high school, and we were talking about, what are you doing, or what are you doing? And he started trading in the market, and he said, and I told him, just remember one thing: buy low, sell high. And he said, and he replied back to me, and he said, you know what? I've been doing the opposite. I've been buying high, and then I panic and I sell. Guys, you guys got to be patient out there, okay? You guys got to be patient. Be patient, but when it's time, you guys got to jump on it. And don't be scared because the price is going down. Do not be scared. That's just more of an opportunity for you to be able to buy more shares at a discount. Just think about it that way. When you go shopping, guys, and you guys are going to buy a pair of pants, would you rather pay, for the same pair of pants, would you rather pay 75 bucks or would you rather pay 50 bucks? Let me ask you that question. If you think about it that way, when you're buying stock, then you're going to look for the cheaper price, and you're going to try to get it at a cheaper price. You don't get scared when you go shopping and you see a pair of pants that you like, that you were going to buy last week for 75, and you see it for 50. What do? You don't get scared. You jump on it. You say, hell yeah, I'm getting these pair of pants I was going to pay 75 for 50 bucks. So don't get scared when the price of the stock goes down, okay? Just keep that in mind, guys. I think that's a great thing to keep in mind, and moving forward, you can use that and follow through with that. With that, guys, I keep repeating and I keep telling you, I'm going to tell you one more time. Follow us at InvestOG, Investing OG on Twitter. We put out plays on there. We put out updates on there. We tell you, what we're doing, and we try to keep you informed, okay? So with that, guys, I hope if you found anything on this video that was informative, that was helpful to you in your trading strategy, or just in your the way you go about your stocks, please like and subscribe. Please give us a thumbs up. That helps other people be able to watch the same video that you're watching right now. Thank you, guys, and I'll see you on the next one.